Hi everyone. Okay, so I'm finishing up with my unboxings of this is Cocoa Daisy, and I wasn't going to film it, but then I kind of peeked in a little and I was like, oh, because I've been so sick, I didn't even look at any sneak peeks, and so I don't know what is in any of these. So let's see. I know this has been out for a while, so I'm not gonna I'm gonna go kind of fast because, you know, it has been a while. Aw, how cute. Enjoy this special little gift. Thank you. How funny. How cute. I know. Okay, you know how that whole complaining thing, someone complained that they put the sticker on the back of this, and I'm like, seriously. So yeah, so someone complained about that. I just thought, oh MG. Yeah, so you guys can get the undo from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, and use a coupon and get undo, and it will take off the sticker. But someone told them, can you please, on Facebook, can you please not put that sticker on the back of those cards? I'm like, oh wow, okay, this world is funny. So, oh, I love that pink. That's a beautiful pink. And I wasn't sure what this was. Oh, it's a pen glue stick. Oh, what is that? I want to see. I'm probably going to break it because I am not good. I am not good. You know when you're at like Walmart and you're in the toy section and there's all the toys and you push buttons and stuff and you do all that good stuff, and I never played with any of that stuff because why is it so I never played with any of that stuff because I didn't know how to, you know, for one, I don't play in the store, and for another, I'm like, I don't know what to touch. But my husband excuse me, I'm so sick. My husband would touch stuff and he would be playing with stuff, and I'm like, what in the world? It wasn't my kids because my kids knew better, but my husband would touch these toys, and I'm like, dude, what are you doing? So but I was always afraid to break things. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. Look at that. Wow. Oh, that is like a bookmark, or I don't know what that is, but I think it's a bookmark. Oh, I love that. And look at this. This is a tag. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. I think this is December's kit. So, oh my goodness, that is a big old camera clip. And this is the little, these have adhesive in the back. So you can, it's really strong adhesive too. So you could put it like on your TN cover and it would stay. So I love that. But anyways, I don't know what that part is for. I'm going to have to research because, like I said, I'm not good at touching things. So it's not what you look at that matters. It's what you see. Exactly. And then these are the standard little stickers you get. I don't know why my camera's acting up right now. It can't because I got to film a PL video after the January's unboxing of Cocoa Daisy. Good things come to those who hustle, right? Yeah, I love that. Instead of wait, it's like, yeah. Jeez, don't look back, darling. You're not going that way, right? Oh my gosh. I love these quotes. Those are awesome. So, I spend $73, I think it is, on the TN and planner add-on and the what else is there, Traveler's Notebook. So yeah, this week it says, I gotta choke, hold on. I wish this would go away. It's still not going away, you guys. This is getting like ridiculous. I'm on week 6, almost week 7 of being sick. And then if you're following my channel, I was hospitalized for 3 days. And that was not fun. Ooh, another tag. I love it. I get 2 tags. And then here's the stamp set. That's Bussie's, by the way, snoring. Oh, another one, another glue stick. This one in gray. Pen glue. Oh, look, it shows you. Duh. See, I tell you, I'm not good at this stuff. It shows you what to do. Okay. Oh, look at these. I love when we get these. These are the pocket holders. Usually there's two. Let's see. Oh, there is. Oh, this is such an awesome, collect moments, not things. This is such an awesome, see, you got the little pocket here. Last time I ripped it because that was a little too rough, but it goes in there. Oh, I love this. Look, see, you put it in there. Let me put it the white side. And then you put that in your tin or in your, anywhere, actually. Love that. Yeah. Oh, rub-ons. So these are rub-ons. Oh wow, these are really pretty. It's such a, yeah, I didn't get to see what this was, so I was super sick. Kiwi, this is more like a kiwi. This is an alphabet set. There's no numbers, but that's okay. And then this is the, oh, look at that. That is awesome. This is the TN Traveler's Notebook set. It's a new year. Oh, so this is January's, but I got it in December for January, so it's always a month ahead. Oh, look how pretty those colors are. Oh, I love Ledger. I love that stuff. It's so fun. Oh, look at those colors, you guys. Oh, what an awesome set. Wow, they're just getting better and better. Oh, I love that. So, no, Dory. Oh, she's going to probably growl. Oh, she's growling because she heard something and the door's closed. Oh, look at this. I just love this. And then you get the sketch. You get the sketch, everyday layout. She sends a how to make stuff. How to do, how to follow a sketch. Oh, I love that. I keep all of this because I'm going to do one of these days. Oh, look at the, okay, so remember, these are all double-sided. So this is this one, see? So you get two of each. So there's one. This is the second one, which I'm so glad. Oh, look at those colors. Nice. And then, aw. This would be cute to put little sentiments in, or, you know, just, I'm thinking, I think I have an idea of what to use that for. Oh, look at this. So you get two of this one, or that, oh no, I'm using both of these. That's awesome. I love that. Oh, look at the ledger paper. Love this. Love this. Paper airplanes. How cute. Sorry. This is the, so that's the TN. The Traveler's Notebook set. Let me put this stuff out of the way. And then here is the, this was the Dory. This is what you would get if you got the Dory Traveler's Notebook. But I don't get the Dory anymore because I didn't need two of everything, or two Traveler's Notebooks. So I don't get that one anymore. But I'm wondering if I should change into like the little one. But I'm not sure because I have so many of these. So not right now. Oh, what cute washi. Oh, and I love getting these. Oh, look at the little notebook. Oh, I love getting these little pads. They're so fun. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Oh my gosh. That is so awesome. Oh, look how cute this is. That's the stamp set. Oh, and the pen. I love opening these pens. Or pencils. I never know what they are until I'm like actually use them and I'm like, oh, this is a pencil. Let me see. That is a pen. Oh, look how pretty it is too. I love the Cocoa Daisies. They have the daisy on top of their pens. Will it show? That's how you know it's a Cocoa Daisy. And it's got the little gems inside. Nice. And then, oh, this is, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. Man, you guys, I don't know how you can't get this kit, because this is just amazing. Oh, man. I love these little bags. Oh, look how cute that is. So you got this side and that side. Oh, so, and I love the little tassel. Oh, so cute. Worth it. So I get 3 things for $73. And I think it's worth it. I gotta choke. So, I keep waiting for it to be, every morning I wake up hoping I'll be done, and it's just not working. That hope is not really working. So, and it doesn't help that I was a little stressed the other day, and I ended up getting a cold. This is what happens when you have autoimmune diseases. It's just, your body is like, haha, yeah, here you go. So these are the standard stickers you get. Cute. And this is what you can, I love this composition book. Oh my god, oh my gosh. So you can cut these apart if you want, or use it as a scrapbook even, and put like rings on them. I mean, you can do anything you want with them. So you get 3, but you actually get, no, you get, yeah, you get 6 because it's double-sided. Oh, I love this. Alright guys, so this is it. If you guys want to subscribe, and the whole spiel is, you know, that email Mary Kay and say you watched my video and you subscribed, and we both get $10 off our subscription, or no, $10 not off the subscription, but anything in this store, the following $20 or more. Alright, anyways, well, I got the next video to film. Bye.